to deeper your voice using voice mode. First of all, you have to open voice mode, that is P3 app on your device. And when you open it, you will get access to this page where you will see voices, sounds, and exploring button. But simply what you need to do here is you need to click on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for voice enhancer. As you can see, voice enhancer. So first of all, what you need to do is here are different buttons. That is to turn voice changer on, to turn voice inspector on, if you want to swipe to voice enhancer, and many more. But what you need to do in order to deeper your voice using voice mode is simply you have to click on the turn voice inspector on button and swipe to voice enhancer. Once done, here are different options of voice reduction, bass, mid, treble, and pitch. But here, the one tool that we use in order to deeper our voice is the pitch option. It has been set to 2, but if you use the slider and increase it to 100 and listen to our own voice. Hi guys! So as you can see that um, it has not been deeper. In order to make it deeper, you have to lower the speech. And let's turn voice changer on. And let's hear ourselves. Hi. As you can see that our pitch has been set to low and it has been deeper. So in this way you can easily deeper your voice using voice mode. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe. Press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.